pussy's gonna burn this motherfucker to the ground. I'll do all your drugs and steal your bitch too. It must just be my East Texas attitude. I'm kind of a cool guy, I'm just acting rude. Get on your knees, bitch, cause I'm coming through. Grandpa lies again, doing it again. 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 While you're nerding out about some other shit, I've got at least a dozen bitches in my rotation. Getting high and smoking crack and getting my dick sucked is what my life is about. Grandpa lies again, doing it again. 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 Don't talk to me unless you got something I want. Drugs, weed, or alcohol, or pussy, that's all I live for. I ain't got time for your fucking shit. I don't care about anything except for my vices. Grandpa lies again, coming here to say, give me everything, all the drugs and money. Grandpa lies again, doing it again. Grandpa lies again, doing it again. Grandpa lies again, doing it again. Grandpa lies again, doing it again.